Yeah, so the site we're on is the Australian Beverage Contract Filling site. We're located in Mount Ku-ring-gai, which is in the middle of a national forest, which is a very unusual spot for a beverage facility to be. So basically we're a multi-facet beverage packaging facility. We manufacture the liquids, no matter alcoholic, cordial, soft drink, beer, anything that's liquid and can be drank goes into a packaging, and then we package it. We do contract packaging and specialised contract packaging, not just your run-of-the-mill can bottle, but you name it, we can do it. And we've got to make sure that whatever we use in that process fits the bill and can be bulletproof. So this is our upgrade from the washing machine that we used to use to fill cans in, and it's a big jump for us. We've gone to the 12,000 can per hour 24 machine, which is above what we need, but we're going to grow into it. We've expanded that quickly, and from day one it's been turnkey. Other machines in past, we've always had to try and get the little bugs out of it. Day of commissioning, straight away up and running, exceeded everyone's expectations, including the manufacturer, which is perfect. It's doing what it says, and it's actually got the ability to work with us by turning it down to run at speeds when we need to. We've got the ability that when we want to, it can be wound up and get cracking. From, as I said, go to woe, we've had no problems, no can filling problems. The thing just runs. Yeah, so we run two size cans. Multiple can sizes in a beverage business is horrible, no matter where you go, because changing a can size from one size to the other, albeit the diameter doesn't change, the height throws everything out. The depelletizer is brilliant. This one's pre-programmed for 2 cans. I believe you can program it for as many as you want, and it knows the height changes and the layers per board. So your 500ml cans will have 17 layers per pallet. Your 375mls probably have 20 layers, being the height different. It automatically knows how many layers once you've punched them in the first time, and it'll remember it forever. So there's constant count on it. It gets rid of the layer boards for you. There's no change. For an operator, there is not one sensor movement adjustment that he needs to make on that depel when he's changing from one size to the other. For us, the depelletizer, it was an unknown quantity. This one came in and we were pleasantly surprised with the actual functionality of it. We don't have to have it manned. There's no one actually standing out there watching the pelletizer. It's all fully automated, synchronized to the filling machine. So therefore, one stops, the other stops. And at the same time, it's not wasting cans. And that's the biggest problem. There's can depelletizers in the past that I've worked with, they're spewing cans on the ground. It's a mess. It's also money for the business, and it's downtime. Every damaged can that happens on a depelletizer stops the line, stops conveyors from moving, stops fillers from moving. We don't have that problem. One pallet, I think we'd waste 1 can. We're even at the extent that we're able to, because the machine's so simple, we're training our forklift drivers to actually reset it and do all the work. So there's no forklift in motion in that area because the forklift driver's doing the work of what an operator used to do. But dealt with Splatt engineering for 4 or 5 years, purchasing new machinery, old machinery, second-hand machinery, and parts just to make sure that we can actually operate a facility. The Splatt engineering's, they design stuff for us, but they're happy to work with us. We can come with a solution to them and they can help us out, or vice versa. When we're purchasing machinery, we need to make sure that it fits the mould, and what we're getting is exactly what we need to have in our business, from the quality standard all the way through to what we pride ourselves in as our food safe manners. So HACCP certified, SQF certified premises. The machinery you have to use is quality. You can't just wheel in a piece of rubbish off the street and get certification for it. Everything we have in the facility, we're proud of. And for us, that's the part that matters. We care that our room is in pristine condition, our machines are in tip-top quality, engineering and food safe, and that's the big win for our business. And that's where we're able to compete and beat most contract packers because of the pride we put in our facility.